Today we're going to be playing Oddworld 2 with my dad.
Hi.
And this is a special thing for Father's Day because it is tomorrow. Or maybe I'll be posting it tomorrow. Doesn't matter. So, if you've never played this, how this works is we have to get in our boxes if we see blue. It's a blue figure thing. Green, you have to like crouch, and we don't have yellow, cyan yet, but red starts here. So, Dad, stay with me. Got it? Don't
Okay,
follow me. Follow me and do what I do. Okay. Follow me and do what I do. Please. Get in your box. Get in your box. Okay, come on. Okay. No, keep staying in your box. Okay, I think I heard blue. I think I heard blue. I'm scared that blue catches us. Or green. Okay, so now I got phone. Well, I'm gonna use the button. Come on. Oh, fudge. Okay, let's see how many we need to get light bulbs, and we don't have any. We don't have any.
We haven't found any.
Yeah, so we have to get the light bulbs and put it back into like the light bulb thing. That there's a projector. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. We don't want to get caught by green or by green. Stay in your box and we should be. I think if I zoom out, I can find. Oh, stay in box. Stay in box. Whatever you do, don't get out.
Can you get out of the box now?
No. Blue is still too close by. Where are all of them? Okay. Move. We start
The
flying.
one behind us got found.
Yep. Get in the waterfall area. Come on. Get here quick. Okay, it's this place. Green can't find. And blue won't find us if we're in the box, so. We should be safe. Okay, let's see here. We need to find the last 3 light bulbs. Anybody actually has found them. Okay.
Look, everyone's running outside. Can you run outside?
I think the last people had their things. That's the light bulbs. I'm seeing the rock. Are we hearing like grrr kind of thing? Okay, hearing grrring kind of thing?
I'm not hearing any growling.
Yeah. That's growling.
Wait.
Okay. Okay, hey, did any of you hear? Wait. There's actually an SOS light. I mean, wow, you guys must be good at finding things. That is sus. Is that blue? Oh no. Coming here was a mistake. See, I told you the name was blue. We need to find a way out of here fast. Maybe this can help us get out of here. So we need to find 15 canisters. I'm assuming the name's yellow of that thing. Because it's yellow. The things are associated by the color. You can see everybody. Oh no! Okay, you know what to do. Stay close. Get in your box, get in your box, get in your box right now! Wait, no, that's yellow. Okay. I put in 2 already.
Put what in?
Canisters, little canisters.
Oh, you have to find gas canisters?
Yes. You can walk through blue, just don't get out of your box. If there's red what's that thing called? The line with the dot. Oh, maybe something.
Gas canister, 2 of 15?
No,
2/15? You don't know that?
No, you know the thing you put at the end of a sentence?
Period.
Above with a dot and then
Exclamation.
thank you. Yeah. If there's a red exclamation mark on it, forget the box. Get out of the box as quick as you can and run to the nearest safe area. This part right here, like this big thing, you have to crouch then there, and that's a safe area. So you know, stand there, just stand there while I go get the canister here. And get this. We'll rock it like that. Where's the green?
The green is working.
I'm fine as long as I squat for some weird reason. It's just a hack. Okay. Green's blind, so stay out of his way. Blue and yellow stay in your box. And then cyan, get in your box and don't move, okay? With the others, you can move. Besides,
Blue got me!
I told you to take the bucket too.
Oops.
Daddy. Well, you get spectator mode.
Okay.
Okay, I'll go on without you. Wish me luck.
Luck.
That's not how it works. Okay, I have 2 gas canisters. Can you check who's still here?
Let's see. Hero Brain.
2.
Cat's being picked up by...
Yellow. If you land the bouncy house, then you're safe.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's only 4 of you left.
Okay. So they can't find where the other canister. It only have 3 right now. Okay. Please don't find me. Okay. Okay, so you have to squat through here. Take the box. Green slow. And move. So green slow. And blind. That's good at least. Oh nice, I found another fuel canister. Okay, I currently have 4. Can I pick it up? Okay, for some reason now I'm not gonna, keep picking them up. I'm just gonna drop these off and then I'm gonna take them home. Okay, so apparently we should have 11. We should have 11. And 3 of them are showing. Oh, so the gas can't get gas. So, Oh no. Green the bean. Looks like I'm gonna have to find another. Here's another way in. Another way from here. My turn. Come on, come on, come on. I wonder how many players are left. Okay. We're in the second hour currently, and this is already pretty hard. Okay, here we come. Nice. I see them. There's these tiny blue dots on my screen, and that's where they are. So as long as I scan my box, or see how long as I stay away from green, scan my box upon blue, I should be fine. Okay, I probably have to get out of this box. So purple layer is just a hack. You have to squat in there if you want to live to see another day. That's nice. I see a bunch. This could be manageable to get. And there's one in there. Wait, you check this part, you can see how many people left. Okay. We need some more in person. There's one in there. All you need to do is go in there and get it. Okay, go. Oh, I need one more. It's right there. It's seriously right there. Like, I can actually get it. It would be a lot easier if the blue wasn't there. Then I could just run up there, grab it, bam. Lose it. Couldn't he choose another spot to camp out at? I don't hear him. This is a way to get away from. You have to find it and bring these four, even though you can't see the four. I have four in there. And all you need to do is bring them back to later tag. And then you can move on to the next hour. Now so each one a new person comes out, I'm pretty sure. Well, I don't know. The Ferris wheel. Oh my gosh, like seriously, this person right there is just sitting there on the Ferris wheel, not doing anything, while I have to do all the work. Okay. I don't see him. I'm gonna dash through at the end. I'm gonna need to make a dish. I'm gonna need to see make a dish. Oh. What the? Oh, that was close. Did we just get like knocked out? That's all the little things. You just release them and I'll let the old one. Oh, and this time there's a timer. I wonder, what if I just like, what happens if they let him die?
I think you lose the game.
We don't know that. He's never let them die before. This game is so stressful. Seriously, after playing 10 of them, and when you get in the box, the Lookies get away. And they move around. And the other person is not even helping. But he's not even helping. So how am I gonna get it? Look. And Don Green's in there. If I get caught by blue, I'm gonna just immediately die. If I get caught by yellow, I'm not gonna immediately die. Pero here. Go bring. This bad boy back. Okay. Before. Why can't we hold these things in our boxes? It's only me and this random other player. And the random other player's not even helping. Like, look, it's just there. It'd be a lot easier if like this random person actually helped. Besides putting me in one Lookie and leaving the rest to me. Okay. And then find the Lookies fast. Good thing there's a door here that I literally did not know existed. I feel ashamed right now of not knowing that that door existed. Oh, I can't find any. I just need to find some more. Why is green every? Why is green here everywhere I go? We needed to get the lucky die. Is it really green? Two of them.
Stop. You should please have an ending to see.
Okay. So this is our Father's Day video. I'm sorry we but I mean, try and potentially in the future we will make another one of this. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.